Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I have several Happy Mail shares. I will link everyone's channel down below. The first one is from Sharon from Cheap to Chic. Her and I have been swapping our supplies back and forth. She sent me an amazing package full of Maggie Holmes supplies. I only have one Maggie Holmes collection and it's Sunny Days. So I am so excited to be receiving all of these goodies of collections that I don't have. These are all the 6x8s. She sent Road Trip, Garden Party, Parasol, Heritage, Marigold, and Carousel. These are amazing. They're all so beautiful. Along with those, she also sent some stickers and ephemera and goodies to go with some of the collections. For Parasol, she sent the puffy stickers. They're so stinking cute. The sticker book. So many pretty ones on this one. And the ephemera pack. Beautiful. And from Garden Party, the sticker book. The little puffy stickers. And the ephemera pack. And from Road Trip, the ephemera pack, the stickers, and the other ephemera pack. These are awesome. And then this sticker set, I think it's from Carousel. Oh yeah, it is Carousel right there. So nice. She also sent the nesting die that I had won in one of her videos. Thank you for that. And then she also sent me the cowtails. She did send 2 of them, but I've already opened one and started eating it. Sharon, thank you so much for sending this beautiful Maggie Holmes collections. I have so much fun when I swap product with you. Thank you so much. The next Happy Mail that I received is from Marissa. She is a fun size crafter on Instagram. She sent this cute Easter card. So fun. And inside she shared some die cuts. We have an Easter basket, some Easter eggs, this beautiful bunny, some eggs here on the side, and then in here, some little Easter die cuts. Marissa, thank you so much for thinking of me. I appreciate it so much. I received this from Lucy. She's just LM on YouTube. She placed an order for my dewdrops and she sent the money for the order. But she also sent me this cute bunny die. It's adorable. It says Happy Easter. Lucy, thank you so much for being so nice and for ordering my dewdrops and sending me a little extra something. I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much. I won a prize from Marianne's Craft Corner. She has been using her stash and using her stickers, and she decided to create a tag flip out of it, which is such a great idea to use up your supplies. She made this really fun trim. These are so pretty. She also included this cute charm. We have all of these really cool tags that I will be able to use in my projects and in my Happy Mail. Look at how fun that is. Great way to use your supplies. It's so fun. And such pretty colors in this tag flip. So nice, Marianne. Thank you for such a thoughtful handmade gift. Also inside were these adorable bunny bows. Oh my goodness, look at how cute those are. And she has the cutest bunny bag topper I've ever seen. How cute is that? It's so fun. It's just perfect. She added some pom-pom trim. She sent this super cute Easter card. So cute. Well, thank you everyone for thinking of me and sending me this amazing Happy Mail. I love it all so much. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.